a couple stacks, exactly what I want. Mix a couple tracks, a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, and fade it till I'm gone. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others say I'm
friends, subscribers, new subscribers, and people who just popped in to watch. If you could like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you are notified when new videos are shared, I would be grateful. Hi, I'm Kel and this is my channel, Kel's Lampwork Glass. Today we are unboxing Softflex's kit, Star-Crossed Lovers. So first, let's get the housekeeping out of the way. Let me tell you a bit about Softflex and their Facebook group. Softflex, very important beading, and in brackets and capital letters VIB, and then after the brackets studio group. In this group, if you have a question about jewellery making or jewellery, ask the question. There is bound to be someone in that group that can answer your question. Also, this is where these kits really come into fruition. These kits are predominantly challenge kits, but also beading kits. But each month there is a challenge set by Softflex which runs between a certain date. And for this month, this date is January the 29th to February the 24th. And the hashtag for this challenge to put on the top of your pictures if you post them in the group is hashtag glitters in lowercase. So the challenge is for you to make stuff with predominantly the beads out of this kit and maybe a few items from your stash and put them into the Facebook group. And at the end of the date, the 24th of February, then one person will be chosen totally at random to win a kit. Isn't that an amazing prize that Softflex is giving? I think it is, because these kits that Softflex put out are absolutely outstanding. I love them and I'm sure you do. So why not give it a go? If you win, Softflex will put a post out in the Facebook group with an email address for you to contact them, for you to give them your information for where to send the kit that you have won. So, also, in the kits, you get a content sheet. And on the back of the content sheet is a $5 off coupon with a unique code. This $5 off coupon is when you spend $50 off or more on the website, and it cannot be used in conjunction with any other promotion. The website is softflexcompany.com and it's an amazing website. On there, these kits, along with the bead strands, are released on the last Wednesday of every month, as well as the bead mixes from the previous kits. So if you have this kit, next month the bead mixes will be released with the next month's kit. So also on the website are loads of beads, for example like gemstones, glass beads, Austrian crystal, ceramic beads, polymer clay beads and many more types of beads, all the beads that you could want. There's not a bead that you couldn't find on there. I'm sure you'll find what you're looking for. They also have loads of charms. there's such a wide range of charms. Again, I'm sure you'll find what you're looking for when it comes to charms. I have, as of many others. Also, Softflex do their own craft wire, their own beading wire, and their own crimp tubes. They are the best in the business. If you don't believe me, give them a try for yourself, and then come back to me and tell me, are they the best in the business? Also, they do such a wide range of tools. Have a look. I'm sure you'll find what you're looking for. Also, Softflex have a YouTube channel, which has a wide range of archived videos and lives. I'm sure you'll find something that you can look at in their archives. But also, if you're looking for a specific type of jewellery making video or technique, you'll find that in their archives to help you learn if that is what you need. So have a look. Go and have a look through their archives. The archives are amazing and they are very extensive. Also, Softflex go live 4 times a week. On a Monday with Kristen, on a Wednesday with Sarah, on a Thursday for the live bead auction, where also you can get texts to remind you that the live bead auction is on, and emails to remind you the live bead auction is on. Just go to Softflex's website and sign up for them. The texts are only for American customers because they cannot be sent worldwide at the moment, but the emails can. Also, you have Joyce on a Friday. Kristen, Sarah and Joyce also have guest appearances from time to time. All the women and all the guests use the kits and items off the website to make different items, and they are all wonderful at what they do. They have amazing skills and outstanding jewellery making passions at what they do. Also, on the last Wednesday of the month, Sarah unboxes these kits on the website. So that's the housekeeping out the way. How about we turn down to the mat so we can have a look at this kit, because I'm sure you want to see it as much as I want to see it. So I will see you down there. So let's see what's in this kit. First of all, we have this absolutely beautiful ribbon. Isn't it gorgeous? It's like a velvet type burgundy ribbon, which could be used in your jewellery making or added to a tassel at the end of the year, which is the type of thing I do. Oh, sorry, major bounce, I do apologise. So let's open this up. I do apologise for those that don't cope very well with the rustling. Right, I'm going to put this off to the side of the bead strand. I've also got my calipers and my tape measure so we can measure the bead strands. So we have here, we've got Pro Econoflex in medium 49 strands in gold colour. Isn't this a wonderful colour? I know I usually show you the thickness, so I'm going to show you if I can find the end. Can't seem to find the end. Here it is. Look at the thickness of that. So that's, and it's such a lovely gold colour. So we've got that. Then we've got Softflex 2x2mm sterling black oxidised crimp tubes, and we've got about 20 of them. It's wonderful that we've got oxidised black crimp tubes in this one. Then we've got gunmetal plated ear wires. So let me see if I can find these. Because we're in with a few items. So here we go. And they're ball ear wires. And as I said, in that gorgeous gunmetal black colour, just like the crimp tubes. Then we have a 12mm gunmetal plated lobster claw clasp, which has a really smooth mechanism on it. Then we have gunmetal plated head pins. Oh, let me find them. Head pins? I do not see head pins. Metal plated head pins. Now that's something I do not see as head pins. I might be missing them, but if I find them I will show them to you. As you know, sometimes I don't always see something. Got the Jessie James custom bead mix, which we will open right at the end. Then we got a 3x5mm check glass half hematite pinch beads, which are these ones, which we will get the caliper out for. They are 3mm wide by 4.9 long. And oh, it's going to be a bit hard to measure this strand, but I'll give it a go. It's about a 5-inch strand. So there we go. Then we have teeny tiny ceramic gold crown beads. Oh, these are gorgeous. Look at these. So we've got little gold crown beads. Let me try and bring you in a bit. They've got sort of the crown detail on the edge and the black on the top and black on the bottom, and the whole goes from the top here, from the top here through to the bottom just here. So that's them. Then we have Small Peruvian ceramic red hearts. Oh, these are darling. Aren't they gorgeous? I'm just going to take a drink of water because my mouth is very dry. I do apologise. Right, so back to it. I'm sorry about that. Then we got 3x8mm antique brass plated S hook and ring. Look at that. That is a lovely little clasp. If I can get hold of it. Isn't that great? Lovely little clasp. Then we have 9x13.4mm antique brass plated multi-strand connectors, which are these, the 2-strand connectors, 2-to-1 strands, which Sarah Olia used one of these strands to make a necklace, which she wore when she was in Tucson with her roses dress, which she had a rose that came off the bottom. They're great. You can use them to make a necklace, to make a wine necklace, to make a 2-strand necklace, to make a 2-strand bracelet. You got check glass, black large hole, and clear fire polish beads. Now these are lovely. I will measure the size of these for you. These are, because they are rondelles, the black beads are 6 by 3.4, and the clear ones are 2.8 by 1, and that's these ones. Aren't they beautiful? I love these. These are gorgeous. I would love to have loads of these. I just love the model. I love the strand in itself. This would make a great bracelet with a few add-ons, just so it was long enough. Just a few little add-ons here to make it asymmetrical. It would make a beautiful bracelet. So next we have ceramic beads with stars, mixed colours and shapes. So that's these ones. Oh, I love these. Oh, these are gorgeous. Look at the different shapes in these and different colours. Oh, these are stunning. We've got a little round one, like a rondelle type shape. We've got barrel shapes, well, like typical, like elongated barrels, and then we've got like a proper barrel shaped bead. So these are all gorgeous, and we've got a smaller barrel, typical barrel shaped bead. These are all gorgeous. And some are lighter reds, some are darker reds. Oh, I love them. I'm going to have to find something to do with them. Next, we have Natural Brass Artisan Stars. Now, I think I might have to hammer these. Put some texture into them. I have to find my hammers out. See what I can do. So these are gorgeous. They look quite large on screen, but they are actually only 16.7 by 20.1. So they're not actually that big. So that's them. Then I've got I think I missed something on here, so give me 2 seconds just to scroll through here. Right, what I think was written as head pins must have been these, which are tiny little beads, which have got an AB on them, an AB finish, the little red beads, which was written as head pins, but must have been these. Aren't they beautiful? I love the AB finish on them. Can you see it on this one bead here? But it's on all the beads if I move them. They're gorgeous little beads. Alright, I'm going to put them down and I'm going to pick one up and tell you the size of them, which is very, very small, I'm sure. The size of them is 2.8 round. 2.8 millimeter round. So now let's do the Jessie James mix, which, as you know, I always leave till the end. Oh, we've got some that are stuck in the bag. So let's see what we've got. We've got some checkered beads, which are absolutely lovely. I love these. These are great. These are. We've got 2 roses. Great to have a pair, but you can make a ring with one, necklace or a bracelet with another. We've got a couple of hearts, which is, I love hearts. I've got hearts from other boxes which I haven't used yet, which I might mix in with this box to make a hearts bracelet. Just all for the romantic holiday. What else we got? We've got these beads, some oval beads. And they're in 2 different red colours. One's a lighter red, one's a darker red. So we've got like a lighter red and a darker red. So they're like a half and half mix. So you need to watch out for that when you're making, that you don't sort of end up picking up sort of two that are two different colours. Then you've got some little rounds, faceted rounds in dark, like a rosy red. We've got some more hearts. Oh, sorry, didn't mean to bounce you around the board. I do apologise. I know I'm chuckling. It's because I'm clumsy. It's whilst I'm chuckling it. We've got some gold hearts that really shimmer because of the facets. So look how gorgeous they are. Let me turn this one round so I can really put it up to the camera. Look how gorgeous that is. Then we've got some little red beads that are like translucent red beads, but in like a rosy red translucent red. And we've got, oh, what else we got? Oh, I need to make sure I don't pick up them. We've got some black short barrels. They're just shy of being cubes. Do apologise about that. They're just shy of being cubes. They're just longer than cubes. They're small barrels. Small square barrels that are faceted. Then we've got 4 black small rounds. They're probably about 4mm. Oh, I'm terrible. I'm knocking this camera about something chronic there. I do apologise. It's because you're so low. So that I can make sure you see everything. Then you've got some white cubes. Then we've got 2 crown beads in like an antique bronze or an antique brass colour. Then we've got these wonderful bead caps, which are like 3-leaf bead caps that I absolutely adore, to be honest. I wish I could get more of them, because I love these. These are lovely. They've got like little 3 dots here round on each point. 3 dots and then like three little loops. They're lovely. Look how gorgeous they are. I absolutely love these. Honestly, I am so sorry I am knocking you so much. Then you have these 3 chunky spacers, which are actually quite weighty. They've got some weight to them. They really have. Then we have these flower spacers, which is, there's 8 of them, which they're absolutely gorgeous. I love these. To be honest, I've not been disappointed by this Jessie Jones bead mix. I've not been disappointed by the whole the whole kit so far, yes. Now we've got the bead strand to go, which I've kept hidden. Look at this gorgeous bead strand. So let me open this. So what have we got on here? We've got these two little he-she spacers, which they put on the ends, which you can use or you can't, and you don't use. It's up to you. Then we've got, and we've got two more, which were hidden in the middle. Two more he-she spacers. Then we've got two little black matte rounds. Then we've got 4 faceted rondelles. We've got 2 elongated faceted beads, which go top to bottom with the holes, and they go top this way with the holes, and they've just got a long side which is not faceted, but they're faceted on either side. These are lovely beads. Then you've got these little popcorn beads in gold, which are lovely. I love these. These are fun. These are a lot of fun, and they really shine. Then you've got some sort of saucer spacers with some lovely decoration on, like flower decoration, dot decoration on them. Then we've got 4 bead caps of this kind with the dots on top. Then we've got some rhinestone spacers. Then we've got 2 little spacers. Then we've got 2 more crowns, which I'm not sure. Oh, they've actually got beads stuck in them, which I didn't know were in there. Just give me a second. Top the beads up. So we've got 2 more matte black beads, because they were stuck inside the crowns. So we've got 2 crown beads, well, 2 crown spacers, which have got like some real major detail on them, and this is all the way around. So you've got 2 of them. And then our last bead was our central bead, which is an octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which I think is a hexagon bead. Sorry, not an octagon bead, a hexagon bead. And that's our last bead. So let me show you what came in the Star-Crossed Lovers bead kit for January. So this is what was in the kits, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you could like, comment, share and subscribe, I would be extremely grateful. Thank you for watching. Subscribers, new subscribers and people who just popped in to watch, I'm extremely grateful for your viewing. You help my little channel keep on going and growing, and I hope you come to watch again soon. See you later. Bye friends.
Yeah, let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get me faded till I'm gone. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed. But I keep my head down, cause I crave progress. You ain't never gonna stop me, cause it's my conquest. And I'm never gonna rest.